This legendary Nissan Datsun pickup in Kaduna City, Nigeria, has achieved the near impossible, 3.7 million kilometers on the odometer, and is still running. While 3.7 million kilometers is an astronomical figure, it is physically plausible for high-utility diesel or simple petrol engines of that era if maintained with constant part replacements. For context, the world record for the highest mileage in a non-commercial vehicle is held by Irv Gordon's 1966 Volvo P1800, which reached 5.2 million kilometers. This Nissan is a legitimate contender for one of the hardest working vehicles on the planet.
Beautiful. Look at this. Look at
In the world of South African automotive culture, the bakkie is more than just a vehicle. It's a symbol of utility and resilience. This video captures a contemporary moment of that resilience. A young artisan with limited tools but immense talent takes a vehicle that many would consider totaled and begins the painstaking process of bringing it back to life. It's a testament to the enduring human spirit of repair and the passing down of trade skills in a modern setting. It's a survival story featuring a battle-scarred Mazda 323 GSX KOMBI in the heart of the Congo. With over 2 million kilometers on the clock, this car is held together by sheer willpower, wire, and a few prayers. It's a testament to the idea that a machine only dies when its owner gives up on it. Every morning, the driver performs a ritual of bypasses and manual priming that would make a modern mechanic faint. It's a beautiful, gritty reminder that reliability isn't just about factory specs. It's about the human spirit keeping a machine alive against all odds. It stands as a true survivor on the streets of Africa. At first glance, you might think this Peugeot 404 pickup belongs in a scrapyard. It's missing fenders, the hood is a mosaic of rust, and the interior is practically non-existent. But then, the driver turns the key. Against all odds, the engine roars to life, and this mechanical skeleton carries a full load of heavy barrels down a dirt road. It is a striking testament to the rugged engineering that kept an entire continent moving for decades. Despite the rust, missing windows, and a cabin that looks like a battlefield, that iconic red block engine still turns over with a roar. Navigating the dusty, demanding roads of Africa in a car this old is more than just a test drive. It's a testament to the indestructible engineering that made Volvo a household name for reliability. In many parts of Africa, these cars became folk legends, prized by locals because they were easy to fix with basic tools and could survive brutal terrain that would leave modern SUVs in the dust. Seeing one still chugging along today isn't just a drive, it's witnessing a living piece of 20th century engineering that was built to last forever. Sitting in the cab, you can feel every vibration of the direct injection diesel as the wheels churn through Madagascar's red gold, that thick, unforgiving clay mud. It's a battle of man and machine against nature, where the iconic three-pointed star isn't just a badge, it's a promise of survival. Watching these vintage giants crawl through trenches that would swallow a modern SUV, you realize that here, horsepower matters far less than raw, mechanical heart and the sheer will of the crew. Imagine a vehicle that has survived more than most modern SUVs could ever dream of. In the heart of Africa, a weathered blue Tata 207 pickup stands as a testament to raw mechanical endurance. Stripped of its door panels, its windshield a spiderweb of cracks, and its interior held together by grit and ingenuity, this truck refuses to retire. Despite the missing headlights and a battery sitting precariously on the floorboard, the engine still hums with life. It's not about luxury or electronics here. It's about a machine that refuses to quit when the world asks it to, serving as a vital lifeline for its community. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo!
Pega o filme, ela salva um molho.
Imagine a car that looks like it belongs in a scrapyard. No doors, a chassis so bent the rear is practically dragging, and more rust than paint. Yet, it's piled high with a mountain of sacks. When the driver starts it up, the engine doesn't just turn over, it pulls that massive load forward with stubborn determination. It's a raw, impressive look at how some machines simply refuse to quit. Ever wondered what extreme durability looks like? Meet the Immortals of Nigeria. This vintage Bedford truck is over 80 years old, and despite having no dashboard, no gears, and as the locals say, no original engine, it still hauls 5,000 liters of water every single day. In the 1940s, these Bedford trucks were the unsung heroes of the British war effort, serving as the backbone of logistics across the empire. When they arrived in Nigeria, they weren't just vehicles, they were the lifeline of local trade. While the rest of the world moved on to computerized engines and carbon fiber, this specific truck stayed in time, being repaired with hand-forged parts and sheer ingenuity. It's a human story of refusing to let a good tool go to waste, surviving through 6 decades of Nigerian history under a single owner. Honestly, calling it damaged is an understatement. The hood is crumpled, the body is held together by sheer willpower, and it's carrying a massive load of sacks. But look at it go. This is the legendary Lion of Africa in its natural element, proving that some engines simply refuse to quit no matter what the world throws at them. It's pure mechanical soul in motion. That indestructible reputation is exactly why you still see them working hard in places like Kenya and Nigeria today.